guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a cool Christmas DIY inspired by Bargain Bethany. I can try to put her channel for you, the name of it up here. And I said that would be totally awesome for my kitchen Christmas decor. And I went out today and I purchased the items that you need. So if you're interested to see a Christmas DIY, stick around. So as you saw in the title, it's a Christmas DIY. I think I'm going to call it the gingerbread cookie DIY. So what you need from Dollar Tree, and it's also a Dollar Tree DIY, is you need this little kit. So you just need this little kit from Dollar Tree, $1. I picked up 2 of them because I do want to make 2. I'm going to put one, I'm not sure if I'm going to put one on each of my tier trays. Or, yeah, I think that's what I'm probably going to do. So that's why I wanted to have 2. So, what you need out of that kit is 2 items. You're only going to need this here, okay, to look like a cookie sheet, and you can paint it whatever color that you want. And then the cute little plastic knife. Again, paint it the colors that you want. You can make it look like a regular knife by maybe it's silver or gold, however you want it to look. And then you're going to need to pick up 1 package of your mini gingerbread boys, little cookies. They're little wooden, and you get 14, and you're not going to need 14 for 1, so I'm going to have plenty even with my 2. So I started already by painting them brown, and then I'm going to add some cute faces, and I think I'm going to use some puffy paint, so stick around and we're going to do that along together. I only painted 2 of my little guys. I had gotten 2 bags, I think, already, or 1 bag, and then I grabbed another bag today because I love these, and I want to do a lot of cookie kitchen Christmas decor for Christmas. It's going to be like a bakery sort of thing with gingerbread and Christmas cookies, and I have signs I had already had the last couple of years, and that's my theme for my kitchen for Christmas. So I knew, even if not this year, next year I want to add some new decor pieces, I'd have a bunch of gingerbread. Some information so you know. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with painting our cookie sheet. I want to make it look, I think I might do 1 red and then 1 silver. I do have a silver paint I want to try to use what I can. And this too, I'm going to make to be either silver or gold. I do have a gold. And then, like I said, I'm going to get out my puffy paints. I got to paint a few more of these. I'm going to need my husband, who's right over here. He has to cut 2 of them for me with a little saw. Because you're going to see Bargain Bethany, what she did. Where'd the knife go? Under here, is when you place it on that cookie sheet, you put the top at the top and the bottom at the bottom, and you glue it all down so it looks like you just kind of cut one already. It's kind of cute. It really looks cute. So let's go ahead and get started painting. And the second one I'm going to use by Craft Smart, the Holiday Red. My first one is Craft Smart Espresso. decorate the little gingerbread men with some puffy paint. I'm going to do their eyes gold. And you need 3, 1 cut in half for each board. And then the white swiggly around the head. And then some swigglies on the arms and the legs. If you can even get a swiggly. These are very tiny ones. And if you didn't want them puffy and you want them to look more precise, you could use like a pen marker. And then for the buttons, I'm going to do red and green puffy paint. So some, I will do 2 green. And then some I will just do 1 green and the 2 red. So that on each cutting board, there'll be different buttoned gingerbread. And you can also give some a bow if you want it to be more female. But I'm just going to leave them like that. Just like that. So the cutting boards, I've had to do a good 3 coats. I think what I'm going to do is add a little bit of a light brown dry brush effect on both of them to give it a little bit more of like this will really look like a wood grain, and this will just have a nice light brown mix with the red. So yeah. And then the knives, I painted so far the handles black because they were that light baby pink. And I just kind of left the bottom like this because it has the fake buttons. And that way, that'll be glued down and it looks more flat. So I'm going to give these a second coat as well. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to do this silver. I have, it's called the metallic gunmetal gray. That might look really cool for the knife. Or if not, I have just the Craft Smart gray.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
The next step is to glue on your knife right there in the center. And the last step is to cut your gingerbread in half, your third one, as I've done here, and glue it bottom half over here, and top half on the other side of the knife. Just like that. So now I'm going to do it to both. I got this one to do. Just like that. And there is our finished little cookie sheet of our gingerbread men. Love it. When I saw this, like I said, from Bargain Bethany, I knew I had to recreate it. Thank you, Bargain Bethany. It's such a cute little DIY that works great on tiered trays. I did a brown, and then I did a red. They're going to go in my kitchen, one on each of my tiered trays. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my DIY for this week. It's a nice little tiered tray inspiration, cookie inspiration. And so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, help my channel grow. And we will see you in the next one. Enjoy the glitter, guys.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me.